Hi everyone, welcome back to Hain Academy, and in this video we're going over how to calculate the circumference of a circle. And first of all, the circumference is the distance around the circle, or in other words, that is the perimeter of the circle. And to find the circumference of a circle, we can use the formula in red right here, which is circumference is equal to 2 pi r, or we can use another formula, which is circumference is equal to pi d. And as we all know, diameter is 2 times the radius. So we can either use one of these formula to calculate the circumference of the circle. And here we have this special symbol called pi. And the value of pi is given as 22 by 7, or it is equivalent to 3.1415929 ... But for convenience in solving the problems, we can use either 3.14 or we can use 3.142 in case if you want to be more precise. So now let's move on to some example problems to help you understand on how to find the circumference of the circle. And to find the circumference of the circle, we can use the formula c is equal to 2 pi r, since radius is given in the problem. But if we were to be given as the diameter in a circle, then we can use the second formula, which is c is equal to pi d. And now here in this problem, 2 times pi times 5. So that is 10 pi. For convenience, we will use the pi value as 3.142, and when being multiplied by 10, that is 31.42 inches. So that's it. That's the circumference of the circle with the radius of 5 inches. In this problem, we are given with a circle with the diameter value of 14 centimeter. So in order to find the circumference of this circle, we can use the second formula, which is c is equal to pi d. So let's start solving with that formula. Pi d, and pi value is either 22 by 7 or 3.142. In this case, 14 is divisible by 7, so we can use 22 by 7 for the value of pi, and in that case, we will have more exact answer. So 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 2 is 14, and so 22 times 2 is equal to 44 centimeter. So the circumference is 44 centimeter. Now let's move on to the third problem, where we have a circle with a radius of 8 centimeter. So since radius is given, we can use the circumference formula c is equal to 2 pi r. So 2 times pi times radius is 8 centimeter. So we have 16 pi here, and we can plug in 16 pi into the scientific calculator, and we will get the value of approximately 50.27 centimeter. That's it for this problem. And now let's start solving the fourth problem, which we have a circle with the diameter of 12 centimeter. And so to find the circumference of the circle, we can use the formula pi d, and let's use the pi value as 3.142 times 12. And when you use the scientific calculator to find the value, then we have around 37.70 centimeter as the circumference. I hope it makes sense to find the circumference of a circle when we are either given the radius of the circle or the diameter of the circle. So I hope it makes sense, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, or otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.